How to fix Instagram highlight cover problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Here you will find the update. If you found it here, just update your Instagram and your problem must be fixed. And if you can't find any update, now let's move to the next step. Go to settings, scroll down, this one for Android phone, go to apps, type here Instagram and click on it, and once you're here, click force stop and go to storage clear cache, and that's it. And if you have an iOS, just go to settings and then general and then iPhone storage, select Instagram and click offload. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video. Don't forget like.